In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to the WP Engine affiliate portal in 2025. Whether you're just getting started with affiliate marketing or you're looking to manage your existing partnerships, this guide will walk you through every step you need to get logged in and on your way to success. So let's dive right in and make it as simple as possible for you. First, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you feel comfortable with. Once there, you'll want to navigate to the WP Engine affiliate page. A quick and easy way to do this is by typing in WP Engine affiliate login into your search bar, or you can go directly to the URL partner.wpengine login. This will bring you straight to the login page. As the page loads, you'll notice the spaces where you'll need to enter your login credentials. Before you jump in and type away, make sure you have your login details handy. This information is typically your registered email address and the password you created when you signed up for the WP Engine affiliate program. If you can't remember your password, no worries, just remember that there is always an option for recovery, which we'll touch on a bit later. Once you've confirmed you've got the correct email and password ready, go ahead and enter them in the respective fields. Be careful here. Sometimes the smallest typo can cause issues. Double check for any extra spaces or misplaced characters to avoid any login difficulties. Having typed in your login information correctly, your next step is to hit that login button. It's usually prominently displayed below the fields where you entered your credentials. Clicking this will send your information to the server for verification. Assuming everything checks out, you should be swiftly redirected to your affiliate dashboard. However, in the event you've misplaced or forgotten your password, don't worry. Right below the login fields, there should be a link titled Forgot Password. Click this, and it will guide you through a quick process to reset your password. This typically involves entering your email address and following the instructions sent to your inbox. Once you're logged in, you have full access to manage your affiliate links, view your performance metrics, and explore the various tools and resources offered to maximize your affiliate success with WP Engine. And there you have it, a foolproof method to log in to the WP Engine affiliate portal. Remember, successful affiliate marketing relies on consistent access to your analytics and tools, so mastering the login